So you all guessed it right. This particular story talks about variations amongst the same species depending on the habitat they are present in, whether it is mountain or whether it is grasslands. But what are adaptations? Adaptations are characteristics or traits that help an organism survive in the given habitat. So let's look at a few examples of the adaptation in different organisms. In this particular image, you can see a camel with its thick leathery tongue. You have to remember that it lives in a desert, and deserts have scarce vegetation, and most of these plants have spines all over them. So the spines are used to protect themselves, but at the same time, the animals present in that area have to consume the same plants. So you need to have tongues which can withstand those amount of pain and prickiness that can come with them. So this thick tongue helps in exactly doing that. In the same habitat, we have fennec fox. Now we look at this cute broad ears that has, but it's not just playing a cuteness factor. It plays a very important role to survive in the given habitat. Do remember that deserts are quite arid, having extreme temperatures and often varying temperatures too. Another example is that of blobfish. We humans often end up calling it ugly because of how it looks on the left. However, under the water, it looks like that. So what is changing when we are taking? Think about it. Is it pressure, temperature, or something else? Last example that I want to talk about is the peppered moth. This is an example of variations seen in the same species and also in a quite modern time. So there were two different variations found of the moth that were brown and white in color. And different variations survived in different conditions. The white moth survived more in non-polluted areas, while the brown moth survived in polluted areas. What beautifully it shows us that is how changes in environment can affect